Tonight's boat pizza, boom. Boat pizza review. Boat pizza review. With some boat pizza, you do a little dip like that.
Yeah.
Just a little bit on the edges. That's some delicious pizza right there. All right.
Pepperoni, some olives, and some pork on this one.
Yeah.
It's amazing. It's so good.
Little barbecue sauce.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. All right. First of all, I want you to take a look at the underside, the carriage. Nice, huh? Looking good. The top, nice and crispy. Ranch dressing right there. Crunchy. Ooh. 8.1. I'm calling it 8.1 as well. Ryan? 8.1?
For boat pizza?
Boat pizza 8.1. Boat pizza review.